2016 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock brakes, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, touring suspension. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.